age-old method of applying hair oil to deal with hair problems has now been handed down to conditioners. Though the popularity of oiling your hair has not waned, debates over the benefits of hot oil treatment and deep conditioning continue to rage. Each side has ardent supporters who swear by their merits. Even though some have expressed the superiority of natural oils over the possibly harsher chemicals found in conditioners, it is undeniable that both hot oil treatments and deep conditioning can keep hair healthy and lustrous by preventing breakage and friction. So, is one better than the other? What is a hot oil treatment? Hot oil treatment is essentially the application of a suitable oil to your hair. Massaging your hair and scalp with hot oil enhances blood flow to the scalp and promotes healthy hair by increasing the nutrient supply to the hair follicles. A hot oil treatment helps protect the hair from damage, prevents dandruff, and keeps your hair moisturized. Benefits: the hot hair oil may penetrate the strands and reduce water absorption. This, in turn, reduces swelling of the hair shafts and decreases hydral fatigue that can otherwise cause hair breakage. Hot oil treatment can also pack the cuticle cells to sustain damage from harsh substances found in hair care products. Hair oils help lubricate the hair and prevent breakage resulting from dryness. This treatment can also reduce split ends and tame frizz by nourishing the hair. How to do hot oil treatment? Choose an oil that is best suited for your scalp and hair type. Coconut, jojoba, olive, argan, and almond oils are popularly used in hot oil treatment. If you have a greasy scalp, go for lightweight oils, such as olive and almond oils. For very dry hair, use a thicker oil like coconut oil. Do not use oil that is too hot as it can scald your scalp, cause breakage, and damage your hair. If the oil is too hot, it will cook the hair, which is the opposite of what the hot oil treatment is intended for. What is deep conditioning? Deep conditioning involves applying a deep conditioner to your hair to keep it hydrated and reverse the damage. Deep conditioners, also known as intensive hair conditioners, are almost similar to regular conditioners. However, the time of their usage is what makes them different. Due to their concentrated formula, they should be left on the hair for 20 to 30 minutes. Benefits: deep conditioning reduces frizz, detangles the hair, and makes it more manageable. Deep conditioners neutralize the negative charge on the hair fibers and lubricate the cuticles, resulting in shiny and smooth hair. Deep conditioning your hair after shampooing ensures that the natural oils of your hair are intact. It helps nourish and detangle your hair and prevents dullness. Deep conditioners help fill the damaged areas of the hair, making them smoother. Thus, your hair reflects light better and is easier to comb and maintain after a wash. Which one is right for you? Hot oil treatment and deep conditioning occur at different points in the hair care regimen. While one hydrates your scalp and hair, the other nourishes the hair and imparts shine. Depending on your immediate hair care needs, you can choose either of the treatments or even both. While hair oils are used before washing the hair, it is best to use a deep conditioner on clean, washed hair. Many hair oils, such as coconut oil, can easily penetrate the hair shaft and act on the hair at the molecular level. On the other hand, a deep conditioner cannot be applied to the scalp and works only on the strands. It reduces friction, detangles the hair, and minimizes frizz, enabling easy combing. Hence, it is best to go for a hot oil treatment first and follow it up with deep conditioning for the best results. Hot oil treatment and deep conditioning help moisturize your hair, repair damage, nourish, and restore shine and hair luster. However, there are differences between hot oil treatment and deep conditioning. Though people keep debating about the superiority of one over the other, you cannot replace one with the other. You may have to incorporate both into your hair care routine to get healthy and lustrous hair. Following a proper hair care routine and indulging in a hot oil treatment once a week will help improve your hair. You may also follow it up with a deep conditioning mask to reap maximum benefits. We are almost wrapping up. These are the common differences between these two. Hope you liked this video. Please comment, share and subscribe to this channel for more videos.